Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome. Thank you very much for being in class, guys. I really appreciate the opportunity. It's another day in class, another day in paradise. Welcome. Hello, Ale, Wendy,
Good afternoon.
Hello. Good
Dia,
afternoon.
welcome. Melda, welcome. Gabby, Katia, Robert, Franklin, Karen, Stephanie. Wow, a lot of people. Wilbur, welcome, brother. Katia, Robert. Okay, how was your Monday? How was your morning? Was it good? And Andrea said, what? How was your morning? Was it good? I'm thinking about Monday because I don't like weekends. I like only
Work.
I am a workaholic. Necessity-holic, right? Necessity. Okay, How was your morning? Was it good in the morning?
My morning was so good.
Okay.
I go out to the doctor and nice. And practice.
Doctor.
I type you.
Excellent. Yes, you're right. Okay, hey, listen. I think that the winter is already finishing, right? Yesterday it rained here at home. It rained. What about in your house? Did it rain?
No,
No, it didn't rain.
No.
full sun.
Yes.
My goodness, right.
Yeah.
Well, supposedly right now the weather is kind of crazy. Because of what's the name of this problem?
Calentamiento global.
Cambio climático.
Pollution.
Pollution, but calentamiento. How do you say calentamiento global? Global?
Warm.
Warm, ing. Global?
Warming.
Warming. Very good. Global warming. Yes. Excellent. Supposedly, we are not in the process of let me see. Let me show you a photo. Supposedly, right? We are in a very difficult situation now. Did you listen to that word?
No.
No. My goodness, I'm gonna. Okay, let me show you a photo better. We are in a global boil. Supposedly, scientists are saying that we are in this phase. Look.
Warming. No.
Supposedly, right? In this moment, no more global warming. Like, for example, when you put water on a pot and the water is like this, and you put fire and the fire is like making the water get hotter, or it's like the water is getting hot and hot and hot. Supposedly, the earth is on top and now it's boiling, like the water, right? Dangerous. Let's see if we can see something here.
Burning issue, and by that I mean literally burning. Today we're switching gears a bit to talk about a burning issue, and by that I mean literally burning. You know how we've heard about global warming for years? Well, guess what? The United Nations Secretary General, Antonio Guterres, says we've graduated from global warming to global boiling. Yeah, you heard that right, global boiling. So what's up with this dramatic shift? It's all about the new data released by the bigwigs at the European Union and the World Meteorological
Let
Organization.
me see if we have
They're
more
saying that
photos.
July is looking pretty hot, like the hottest month on record hot. Meanwhile, in the US, President
This is scary.
The United Nations warns that the Earth is now in an era of global boiling. And as a CBS News poll out today shows, more than half of Americans think climate change needs to be addressed immediately. Here's CBS's Ben Tracy.
This summer feels like a page torn from the book of Revelation. The planet's alarm bells ringing all at once.
Are climate scientists, climate experts surprised by this?
They've been telling us that this is going to happen. It's definitely, on the outer ranges of what scientists thought would be happening by the year 2023.
Leah Stokes is a climate policy expert at UC Santa Barbara. She says human-caused climate change, combined with a developing El Nino weather pattern that raises global temperatures, is fueling these extremes.
What is the climate change connection to a heat wave?
Heat waves are really the easiest thing that we can link directly to climate change. And increasingly, climate scientists are saying, there's no way we would have seen a heat wave like we've been seeing over the last few weeks all across the planet if we hadn't warmed the planet, if we didn't have climate change.
A new report by World Weather Attribution scientists say these once extremely rare heat waves are not rare in today's climate. They warn that unless the world rapidly stops burning fossil fuels, these events will become even more common, occurring every 2 to 5 years.
This isn't like a permanent situation. If we stopped burning fossil fuels, the temperature would start to stabilize. But unfortunately, until we do that, there's a lot of warming in the system, and it's going to keep getting worse.
We have already warmed the planet by about 2 degrees since pre-industrial times. We are on track to reach 5.8 degrees of warming by 2100. Scientists say we are still pumping record amounts of carbon pollution into the atmosphere. There are signs of hope. Demand for electric vehicles is accelerating, and renewable energy is more abundant and cheaper than ever.
I have young children. I have twins under 2. So I'm not interested in talking about how it's impossible or how it's not real. It's real. It's happening now, and we know what to do to stop it.
But unless we dramatically cut planet-warming emissions, this record-hot summer might be the coolest one we have left. Ben Tracy, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
The United
And this was when? 3 months ago, look. 3 months ago. So, not to be afraid, but to know, right, that we need to stop drinking Coca-Cola. No Coca-Cola, Andrea. Ay.
No beer.
No, excellent. No beer, Robert, Milker. No beer.
No milk.
No me. Yes, you're right.
The weather.
No plastic.
No
The
plastic.
weather is hot. Teacher, is necessary beer. Cold beer.
Oh, yes. we can have an exception. We can have an exception.
Yeah.
Today's Friday, and the body knows it. After the class.
For you is Monday.
Yes. Yes, it's true. In my case, it's not a good idea. Okay, let's get started, please. Let's get started. Today's Friday. What do we do on Fridays? Did we do this activity with you the last Friday? No.
Yes.
Yes, maybe.
No.
Every Friday, no. Every Friday we have karaoke session. Karaoke session. Did we have karaoke last Friday?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot. No, because it was the second class and I said no karaoke for this guy. Okay, karaoke. We are going to have this karaoke. There are different ways to make the karaoke on Fridays. The first way is that you go in groups and one by one in the group needs to sing a song. Of course, with the karaoke version in YouTube. That's not only you, right, alone, your voice. Not a cappella, no. But with the video in YouTube, right? The karaoke version, yes? For example, you play the karaoke, you start every single day. I think of the time when you were still mine and I'm blue. Gotta get away, get you out of my mind. I'm gonna be down and I'm Litos Mix, DJ.
I like the music. It's better.
Yes, of course,
It's the better music.
Bolitos
Yes,
mix.
yes. Litos Mix. DJ Amilcar. Roberto DJ. Okay. The second way is to practice a cappella. I show you the lyric, but the song is individual. It's not the song that the teacher says. No. You give me the song, your favorite song, and you sing it, right? For example, in the case of Alejandra, Alejandra says, teacher, I like red wine. Red wine. Okay, we're going to practice the first way. I'm going to send you in groups, and individually, one person needs to project the YouTube, right? One student needs to project YouTube and listen to the other student's request. Oh, for me, lemon tree. Okay, lemon tree, like this. Pay attention. Ahí les proyecté de ellos. Para que no lo bloqueen. No dicen nada ustedes. No dicen nada ahí. Hablando de global warming, global no sé qué. Okay, look, Imai and lemon tree. Imai. Lemon tree. And you write karaoke. Karaoke version. Look. Yes. And you play it in the group individually. Teacher, the complete song. No, the complete song, no, because we don't have time. Only 1 minute, 30 seconds per person. If you have time, you can repeat. Otherwise, no. And then you start it. I sit in here in a boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time. I got nothing to do. Hanging around, I'm waiting. Ahí va. In a boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time. I got nothing to do. Hanging around, I'm waiting for, but nothing ever happened. And I wonder, I'm driving, yes, and you continue. In groups. Why, teacher? Why? Because singing songs is a good strategy. You practice listening, reading, speaking, and writing. I don't know what is the meaning of lonely, and you write lonely, and you investigate. And of course, you practice fluency, pronunciation, intonation. But one student in the group needs to project YouTube. One student in the group, YouTube. Andre, what is your song? My song is this. Milka, my song. Okay. Yep. Lights, camera. No songs in Spanish, right? No. No se va. No se va. No.
Ollito pío pío.
Oíto pío pío,
En
right?
español.
Yes, or another song. Yeah. No. Bad Bunny, no.
Frijolero voy a cantar.
Frijoleros.
Los marranos mix tampoco.
O va a cantar ahí.
Esa lleva en inglés un pedazo.
Yo va a cantar la de Navidad. Si los ríos tuvieran, ¿what? Si los ríos
En
tuvieran
inglés, villancicos en
ron y no sé qué.
inglés.
Yes, eso sí. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Usted cante Chop Suey.
Go to the rooms. Go. Hello,
Teacher,
hello. Yes.
¿cómo podemos compartir audio?
Ah, okay, very good. Let me show you a photo. I'm gonna share a photo with you right now. Okay. Take a look at your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Mhm.
Word.
One second.
There is no photo in WhatsApp, teacher.
Right now. I'm just sending.
Okay.
Pueden escoger la de Google y hay una esquinita. Ahí va.
Okay.
Check.
Thank you. Okay.
Share sound. Ah, pero ese es de tablet, de coso.
Y en el celular no le aparece el mismo botón que dice Share Sound.
No. Mm-mm.
Ah,
No.
Es que ella pudo compartir, pero no se
La
escuchaba.
pantalla. Ajá, solo la pantalla.
Solo compartía
okay.
pantalla, pero no se escuchaba.
Share Sound Zoom. Cell phone. Let me see if I found an image in Google. How to play audio with video during screen sharing. Mhm. I don't have right now.
No sé, número desconocido. Ni idea quién es. Ni idea quién es, le digo. Wait.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, vamos a ver por aquí.
No. Sorry, teacher. Wait. Voy a apagar el micrófono mejor.
Okay, minuto 2:20, 2:19. 2:24, okay. I'm gonna send you a video. Andrea, give me a message, please. Send me a message in WhatsApp.
No.
Oh no, who's sharing? Let me see. Oh no, okay. minute 2:25. Check that video, please.
En esta clase voy a mostrarte cómo compartir audio y video en una reunión de Zoom.
Vaya, ahí está compartiendo, ¿ve? Ah, no, pero porque tiene el micrófono encendido. Para el minuto 2:25, ahí dice que en los 3 botones tiene que habilitar sonido original. Pruebe así, y si no, anyways, comparte las canciones de Google, la letra nada más y a capela.
Débora, en Zoom, ujú, en los comandos, los 3 puntos,
Wait me, espérame. En
ahí,
Zoom,
donde
¿verdad?
dice más, ahí, ujú,
Ajá,
donde dice más,
ajá. Ahí me aparece esto.
configuración.
Ajá.
¿Ves que solo eso nos da? No nos sale la configuración como aparece en el video.
Okay, no problem. Anyways, show just the script. For example, what is the song that you like, Lillian?
The
Como dijo,
reason,
What is the song that you like, Lillian?
la mía. O
Yes, your
tiene que ser
song?
una para todos.
No, it's individually.
Ah, ok.
Go to Google, Deborah.
Débora sing the reason.
Oh, okay, Andrea, the reason. Okay. Okay, type the
Débora,
reason. The reason. What is the name of the singer?
Hubas,
Okay, the reason. Tank, look. Lyric, con al final, lyric. In the end, lyric.
Hubas.
Tank, lyric. Ajá, excelente. Only that. Okay, ahora que la opción que está ahí, lyrics, ya. Ajá, very good. Ahí está, ¿eh? So, at the count of 3, it starts Andrea, right? I'm not a perfect
Débora, que Débora.
person.
Vaya,
No.
Débora comparte y yo voy a poner la música.
Excelente, pero que no sea con cantante, solo el
No,
sonido.
solo sonido.
Okay, very good. And remember, Andrea is going to sing alone. And then other person, other song. Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Quickly. Okay, how was the karaoke session? Was it good?
Complicated.
Complicated. Why?
Because all
If
we
you're
are
not sure in a computer, is complicated.
Yes, you're right. If you don't share in a computer, it's complicated. Next time, no problem. Next time we're gonna do it in the second way, right? That I share it and you sing. Okay, let's start right now with comparatives and superlatives. Pay attention. It says, keep in touch. How do you keep in touch with people? Let me see. Pay attention. Listen to the responses to the survey question. How do the people keep in touch? First of all, what is this? Keep in touch. What is this? Do you know what is the
Mantenerse en
meaning of?
contacto.
Excellent. Very good. Very good. Pay attention. Listen and pay attention.
Communication. Lesson A. Keeping in touch. 1. Getting started. A. Listen to the responses to the survey question. How do the people keep in touch?
How do you keep in touch with people? Kayla Johnson.
Well, at work we use video conferencing for meetings with our international offices. It's less expensive than a business trip and more convenient. And you don't get jet lag either.
Alma Jones. We use email at work, but I use my social network to keep in touch with friends. I was getting a lot of spam in my personal email. There's nothing worse than spam in your inbox. Mayumi Sato. I text my friends all day. Texting's a lot quicker and easier than calling. It's more fun, too. I can't do it in class, though. Paco Rodriguez.
Well, I video call my parents. They think it's better than the phone because they can see me. I guess it's a good way to keep in touch when I'm away at school.
Tim Henry.
Well, for birthdays and things, I still like to send a card. I know regular mail is slower and less reliable than email, but cards are more personal. And I never send those e-cards. I just think it's nicer to get a real card.
CD number
One more
4,
time. Pay attention to the
page 98, Unit
Kyla
10,
Johnson.
Communication. Lesson A. Keeping in touch. 1. Getting started. A. Listen to the responses to the survey question. How do the people keep in touch?
How do you keep in touch with people? Kayla Johnson.
Well, at work we use video conferencing for meetings with our international offices. It's less expensive than a business trip and more convenient. And you don't get jet lag either.
Alma Jones. We use email at work, but I use my social network to keep in touch with friends. I was getting a lot of spam in my personal email. There's nothing worse than spam in your inbox. Mayumi Sato. I text my friends all day. Texting's a lot quicker and easier than calling. It's more fun, too. I can't do it in class, though. Paco Rodriguez.
Well, I video call my parents. They think it's better than the phone because they can see me. I guess it's a good way to keep in touch when I'm away at school.
Tim Henry.
Well, for birthdays and things, I still like to send a card. I know regular mail is slower and less reliable than email, but cards are more personal. And I never send those e-cards. I just think it's nicer to get a real card.
Okay, let's see. Can you complete these sentences? Circle the correct words. Now, let's see. Number one, complete number individually, please. Only write the correct word. Which one is correct? 2 minutes individually? 2 minutes, no, 1 minute. 1 minute, please, individually. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, very good. Number one. Let me see number one. Anna Daisy. Number two, Andrea. Number three, Deborah. Number four, Stephanie. And number five, Wendy Elizabeth. Go. Read the complete sentence with the correct answer. Uh-huh.
Okay, Mayumi says texting is quicker than calling. It's more fun than calling too.
Very good. Quicker than, more fun than. Next, number two.
Tim thinks real cards are more personal than e-cards.
Excellent. Next, three.
Kyla says that video conferencing is more expensive, no, less expensive than a business trip.
Good job. Four.
Paco's parents think that video calling is better than phone calls.
Five.
Alma says nothing is worse than spam in your inbox.
Good job. Alma says. Says. Huh? Good job. Next. Next. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. Grammar. What is the grammar? Comparative.
Adjective.
Adjectives. Very good. Comparative. We use comparative adjectives when we pay attention, when we compare two. Two things We have one thing and the other. Two animals. Two people. Okay. When we use comparative adjectives, we have four different type of adjectives. Number one, what is number one?
Short adjectives.
Short adjectives. Short adjectives are the adjectives that have only one syllable. One
syllable.
syllable. And adjectives with one syllable is one sound. One
Sound.
For example, quick,
Miss.
slower. Nice. Look, nice. Only
Nice.
one. You don't say nice, two sound. Nice, no. Nice, only one. Quick, only one. Big, only one. Yes. Fast. Fast. Nice. Only one sound. Slow. Slow. Only one. Cold. Small. Short. Number two. We have
Long adjective.
we
Long
have
adjective. Long adjective.
long adjectives. Long adjectives are adjectives, no one syllable. 2, 3, 4 more syllables. For example, personal. 3 syllables. Personal. Expensive. Beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place. I don't know. Beautiful. Important. Important. 3 syllables. So long adjective. Pay attention, please. Ana Daisy. Ay.
What's
No,
happened?
number. Pay attention. Number 3. Look.
Pay attention.
Okay.
Irregular adjective.
Irregular adjective. Irregular adjectives are similar to Barcelona. Similar to Barcelona. Barcelona one day wins, the other day loses.
Hey.
Ajá.
No.
Remember, irregular adjective, Barcelona, irregular.
Como que del
Irregular.
Madrid, vea.
No.
Maybe the Real Madrid is good and better.
Irregular. For example, one day 1-0, the other day 3-0, the other day 0-0. One day champions, the other day irregular. No Messi, ay Dios, no Messi en Barcelona, ay Dios.
No Cristiano. Madrid también.
No, Cristi, look, Champions League, 3-0. 3-0. Okay.
Mundial.
Hey, World Cup.
No, but in the Mundial, no, Barcelona.
¿Quién
Messi,
ganó?
yes.
¿Quién ganó? Vaya, pero ganó Messi.
Messi is Barcelona.
Okay, Messi, Barcelona. Okay, good. Good, teacher. Gooder, no. Good, better. Bad, worse. And number four is not here. Number 4 is adjectives with Y. For example, easy. Easy. No, easy. Another?
Easísimo. No.
Easy.
Happy.
Happy. Very good. Because I'm happy, clap alone. If you feel like a room without a roof. Because Ay, Dios. Ay, dale, dale. Hombre. Okay. Busy. Very good, Andre. What happened? Pay attention here, please, because in the exam, short adjectives in the comparative form, look, ER. ER. For example, you say,
Está apagado, papá.
¿Quién apagó el qué?
The
No le,
computer, the laptop
no le
of
apague
my
nada, le al
phone.
niño. Ay, Dios, cuando ya está
It,
grande, ya no lo quieren a uno. Ay, que no sé qué, que. Okay, for example, quicker,
quicker,
fast,
faster,
only that. Small, smaller, very good. Smaller. Because the adjective is short.
Is it typing?
The typing is the problem. Ay, and with comparatives, we need to use than. Quicker than. Faster. Pay attention to my typing. Be careful. Sí, ya ves. Ay, Dios. Falta más WhatsApp. Sí. Faster than, quicker than, smaller than forever. Than. Aha, teacher. Yes, only that. What happened with long adjectives? Long adjectives, for example, teacher, beautiful, beautifuler. Huh?
More beautiful.
Excellent. More beautiful, or less beautiful. Very good. So more beautiful, beautifuler, expensiver, no. More beautiful,
More expensive.
handsomer, more expensive, more beautiful, more handsome, more,
Nothing.
or nothing there. More is for positive. And what is the opposite? Less. Less. And forever, listen to me, forever, than. Than. Only some exceptions, right? Some exceptions, but than. Good. Irregular. Like in Spanish, right? Más bueno. Más bueno. No, más bueno, no. Gooder, no. Is better. Better.
Barcelona is better than
Better
Real
that.
Madrid.
Excellent example. Real Madrid is
No.
better than ¿cómo?
It's not better.
Barcelona is best.
Superlative.
In the world.
Pointless.
Then or done?
Other example.
Better
In the
than.
Other
superlative.
example.
In the superlative.
In the superlative. Very good. Next.
I study the lesson.
The selecta is worse.
Excellent. La selecta is worse than the
That's
soccer
true,
beach
Andrea.
team. The soccer beach team.
You are right.
Soccer,
Ay, Dios.
not have food.
Damn. Kill me,
The
God.
female soccer in El Salvador is better than male soccer
Male soccer.
player.
You're right. Excellent. Father teacher, más malo. No. Worse, right? Worse. Más
Más mal. Más mejor, pues.
Más mejor. Y en El Salvador, ay, man, está más mejor.
Sí.
In Spanish, no problem. ¿Cómo? All right,
More better,
mejor.
it no existe.
More better don't exist. Más
More
mejor.
gooder.
More gooder. Por ahí. En en happy,
Happy.
Happy.
Happiness.
happier.
Happier.
You eliminate this, and you
Why
write
eliminates?
IER.
IAR.
Look, easy, easier.
Easier.
Very good. I'm going to erase this. Ven que cómo se va el esfuerzo. Ay. There is one exception here. Fun equal more fun. It's an exception. Exception. Okay, let's see, please. Exercise A. Exercise A. Look. In exercise A, it says, complete the conversations with the comparative form of the adjectives and then, if needed, then practice with a partner. You can use more or less. More or less. You need to check. This activity is going to be in groups. Okay, so I'm going to send you in groups right now. Lights, camera, action. 7 minutes.
Yeah, easier. It's more
Easier.
they are easier. Easy to use.
Okay.
Mm, mhm. Personal, real cars. Easier. In the personal than
No me saques aquí porque me va a perder mis cosas y tengo que entregar esto mañana. Sí.
personal car, more personal. Who is right the answers? Deborah, are you there?
Yes.
You are writing the answers too.
Yes.
Okay. Here.
The personal, I think that we don't have to change nothing.
Okay.
Do you ever use video calling or drawing SPEN things? No. Mhm. Nice, pero aquí, I think that we don't have to. Nice.
I don't move. Do you only just video calling our grandparents think is nicer, nicer. You can see us. It is better than the phone call. Better than the call. It's better than the phone.
Neither we can put, neither is not idea.
It's less expensive. International phone call. It's more expensive.
It's more expensive.
International phone call. No. Yeah, but
The letter is bigger.
Wait. Nice.
Latin is bigger.
I am in the letter A. Nice. Because
nicer.
okay.
Okay.
No, I think that it's not neither.
Okay.
Good. Phone. More expensive.
Right. What letter you are?
The second one, letter A. I don't know who to.
But the letter A is nicer. Neither.
Neither.
They can see us. It could. It's better. Better. Better than. No. It's better the phone. Es mejor. No. It's better than. It's better than. It's better than.
The
The
phone
phone.
phone.
The phone calls. And number three, do you prefer your your tablet or your laptop? My laptop is bigger, right?
Yes.
Bigger. Mine is bigger, but it's it is more useful. It's more useful. It's useful a tablet. It's more useful. No, amor, no va con eso. It's
Es más útil.
Useful. But
More
what we
useful.
write, useful or usefuler or useful, or we need to change the
How many syllables do we have in useful? Useful.
useful.
Two.
Two.
So, well, we need more or less? I don't know.
Tell me, guys, please. Google it.
But I think that it's like the tablet. It's my laptop. It's bigger, but it's big, but it's more useful at tablets.
More what?
Useful.
Yeah.
More, but we need to.
More useful at tablet.
Useful.
Tablets are less difficult to work on.
But what I can write after, but it's
Big.
we not
I
change
think
useful.
in big, I think it will stay like big because there is no comparison.
Okay.
I think so.
Useful at tablet. Tablets are more difficult or difficult.
Yes.
Difficult. We need to change anything.
More difficult.
No, ¿para qué la sacó de ahí? Ah, no, espérate. To work on. My sister
Or less
prefers her
difficult.
tablet. She said it's light her laptop. Lighter. No. Because it is one syllable. Lighter. Lighter. Her laptop. So it's
Right.
my question is in the others that have more syllables, we need to change or we don't change any. So it's Convenient to carry around.
You are writing to Anna Daisy?
Yes.
Okay, right you because I'm leaving now. Alright.
But what happened with the other? Convenient.
I will help you here. Do you prefer?
To carry around.
I have sister here.
You use email much?
Yeah, my sister prefer her tablet. Oh yeah. She says it's more
It's better.
it's lighter than her tablet than her laptop. It's like lighter. No, lighter is a no. No, me vas a terminar haciendo. Quítate, quítate. Mi amorcito, quítate, tarea.
Lighter her laptop. So it's convenient. ¿Qué pasó?
Oh, light than her tablet, than her laptop. So it's more convenient to carry around.
But light.
Finish?
Finish,
Yes.
teacher.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
See you soon.
You failed.
Okay, let's see. It says here, do you like e-cards? I think number one is gonna be Gaby de Los Angeles, number one. You're gonna read with the correct answer. Roberto, number two. Imelda, number three. Gabriel, number four. 1, 2, 3, action.
True, and they're easier to send to.
Okay, no, read the two. Do you like e-cards? I think they are.
Do you like e-cards? I think they're more interesting than real cards. True, and they're easier to send to. Though they're a bit more personal real cards.
Excellent. You can say though. Though they're very good.
Okay,
Number
thank
two,
you.
excellent. It's okay. Let me see. Excellent. Think they're more interesting than easier, and less personal. Would be less. Aunque, esta es la diferencia. Aunque they are a bit less personal. Number two.
Do you ever use video calling? Our grandparents think it is nicer because they can see us. It's better than the phone. Yeah, and it is more less expensive. Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, and it is less expensive international phone calls.
Okay,
Phone
calls. Let's see. Nicer, very good. It's nicer because they can see us. And then it's better than, very good. And the other one, it's less expensive than. Number three, go.
Okay. Do you prefer your tablet or your laptop? My laptop is.
Do you see email much these days? I don't.
I don't. I just use my social network. Me too. It's more efficient than email and it's more fun than.
Gabriel, no microphone, Gabriel.
My laptop my laptop is bigger, but it's um, but is less no but is more useful a tablet
Than a tablet.
than a tablet.
Hmm? Tablets.
Tablets are less difficult to work on.
Let's check. Do you prefer your tablet or your laptop? My laptop is bigger, but it's more useful than a tablet. Tablets are more difficult to work on. Number 4, Gabriel, go.
Okay. Number 4, do you use email much these days? I don't. I just use my social network. Me too. It's more efficient than email. And it's more fun than.
In that case, not necessary that. And it's more fun, only that.
Okay. And it's more fun. It's better than texting too. Texting worse than email.
Let's see. Very good. It says. Oh, but there was a missing part here. Yeah, my sister prefers her tablet. She says it's lighter than her laptop. So it's more convenient to carry around. Number 4, Gabriel, me too. It's more efficient, very good, than email, and it's more fun. It's better than texting. Texting is worse than email. Very good. Very good. Okay. Look at the next part. Look at the next part. It says, speaking naturally, linking sounds. Linking. What is this? Pay attention.
And repeat. Notice how the consonants are linked to the vowels.
With social networking, it's easier to keep in touch with people.
Text messages are less expensive than phone calls.
Real cards are nicer than e-cards.
So if you see, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. For example, with social networking, it's easier to keep in touch with people. With social networking, it's easier to keep in touch with people. With social networking, it's easy to keep in touch with people. So you don't stop. Not necessary to stop. It's easier to keep in touch with people. No, not necessary to stop. Next, text messages are less sex. Less sex, teacher. Sex, no. Less expensive, okay? Less expensive than phone call. Uy, teacher, less expensive, come on. More natural, like for example, in Spanish, a las 8. Similar in English. Hey, tomorrow, what time do we meet tomorrow? What time? What, tomorrow? A las 8. Porque a las 8 nos reunimos. Natural. Consonants, O. Yes. Or for example, another example in Spanish.
Los ojos.
Excelente, brother. Los ojos. Mírame a los ojos. Mírame a los ojos. Mírame a los ojos, mira lo que son. Mírame a los ojos. Comprende, comprende.
Sí, me la
Real.
sé.
That's right.
Ah, ¿cómo? Yo soy el control.
Un control machete.
Control machete. Real. Real cars are. Look, cars are nicer than me. Danny, no Danny de Danny, yes, Danny cars. Real cars are nicer than e-cars. So this is a technique for fluency. It's more normal, more natural. Yep. Okay, look at B. Listen and repeat the questions below. Then discuss the questions in groups. Discuss the questions in groups. Pay attention. Lights, camera, action. Pay attention.
Page 99. 3. Speaking naturally. Linking. B. Listen and repeat the questions below.
Repeat in your
Then
house.
discuss the questions in groups. 1.
How do you keep in touch with friends and family?
2.
Do you talk to your grandparents every day?
3.
Do you use a social network to communicate with friends?
4.
Is it easier to text your friends or to call them?
5.
Do you think video calls are more fun than phone calls?
Teacher, I can hear you.
Ay, Dios. Mírame a los ojos, comprende, comprende.
Teacher, ay
No,
Dios.
ay, Dios.
Ay Dios.
Ay, Dios, hombre.
Dios guarde.
Vitaminas, vitamin. Antes, ¿cómo le llevaban a uno vitaminas? Ay, Dios. Ale,
Tan caras.
I send you by
en cara.
message.
Okay, no problem. Alejandra, 1. Jonathan, 2. Number 3, Amilcar. Number 4, Wilber. Number 5, Claudia. ¿Dónde va Claudia, pues? Ay, Dios. So,
Ay, me lo.
the street, only in the street. Sí, ve. Ajá, go. Igual canadiense. Ajá.
How
Number
do you
1.
keep in touch with friends and family?
Good job. Keeping friends and friends. Good job. Next, Jonathan.
Do you talk to your grandparents every day?
Good. 3.
Do you use a social network to communicate with friends?
4.
Is it easier to text your friends or to call them?
Is it? Very good. Is it easier? Is it easier? Next. Last one. No, Claudia is driving in this moment. It's dangerous. No, Claudia.
No,
Don't.
no. Do you think video calls are more fun than phone calls?
No, si es que. Very
Es
good. Very
multitask.
good. Excellent, Clau. Okay, homework. ¿Qué han dicho? Ay, Dios.
No, teacher.
No, teacher. ¿Cómo? Van diciendo ahí. Que no le dan tarea. Que no le-
I have a lot of homework.
Yes, the plan for first hour.
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Tomorrow.
Today
Excellent.
is not Monday.
Tomorrow,
Andrea,
Saturday.
come on.
You don't have a
You
homework.
have time. You have time
It's
for tomorrow.
weekend.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you, thank you. Después que dicen ahí en la evaluación, no deja tarea. Me dejaban más tareas.
Deja muchas tareas de la nación.
Okay, homework. Ask.
Why?
Tell me why. Activity 1. Choose
Platform.
one
Okay.
question and give your answer in 3 minutes.
What answer?
Okay, no, 2 minutes. Okay, check your WhatsApp. Look at this question. Look at these questions. Question number 1, how do you keep in touch with friends and family? Do you talk to your parents every day? Do you use social media? Is it easier to text your friends or to call them? Choose one question. The question that you like. Only one. And practice giving the answer. Practice giving the answer. You need to answer the question in 2 minutes. And in your answer, you need to include comparatives and superlatives. 2 minutes. I am going to show you the time. 2 minutes. You need to practice. For example, do you talk to your grandparents every day? Yes, I do. In my opinion, I consider that it's important to keep in touch with your family members, especially with those members that you love a lot and you think that one day they are not going to be with you anymore. In the case of your grandparents, I usually communicate with them by texting or by calling them on the weekends, and sometimes I go to visit them, but in my case, I call them because for them, it's easier to use the phone to make a call than to use the phone. Texting is more difficult for my grandparents because they are kind of old, right? And they don't know how to use WhatsApp or Facebook or any other application. So, and sometimes I like to go there because I know that it's important, right? It's more important to be close to the person. It's in my case, right? Blah 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 blah. No teacher, my question is, I like number 5. Do you think video calls are more fun than phone calls? Well, in my opinion, I think in a way, video calls are more fun than only phone calls because when you have a video call with another person, with your friend, with blah, 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 faster, easier, less expensive, more expensive, nicer. En su respuesta. 2 minutes. Individually.
Teacher, we have to send this question for your WhatsApp or is for practice?
No. This activity is to practice because on Monday, yes, because on Monday, speaking in the class, one by one, okay? One by one, I'm going to check. I am going to check. Okay, let's see. Activity number 2. Read the book. Read chapter what? What is the chapter of the book?
4.
For Oscar. And the last one, platform. Platform, unit 1 and 2. Continue in the platform. Okay. Let me see. Photo, please. Photo. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Excellent. I wanted to talk to you. Antes que nos vayamos rapidito. Fíjense que hay una situación por ahí que nos está limitando con este horario. de 4 a 5 y media. Entonces, la opción que me decía Giselle es de preguntarles a ustedes qué posibilidades hay de mover un poquito el horario, ya sea comenzar a las 4 y media y salir a las 6, o de 5 de la tarde a 6 y media. Sí se puede, ¿verdad? Sí se puede. Si no, pues se mantiene así, de 5 a 6, perdón, de 4 a 5 y media. Pero si hubiese la posibilidad de moverlo, aunque sea una hora, perdón, media hora, de 4 y media a 6, me avisan. Voy a mandar ahí una ¿qué?
Encuesta.
No, ni
Encuesta.
para que no. Simplemente es un choque por ahí que hay, pero no hay ningún problema, pues, o sea, porque se puede solventar, pero esta es una solución también viable, ¿ok? Solo es una idea. Si no se puede, no hay problema, pues. Yo sé que,
Más tarde también se podría, ¿verdad, teacher? No.
ajá, también, pero la idea es que casi todos estén de acuerdo, porque tal vez, ajá, nadie se quede, porque si no, pues como que, ajá. Le puedo mandar por ahí, no hay problema, ¿ok? Si no se puede, don't worry, no hay problema. Que no afecta en otras cosas, ni en el horario, sino que es más que todo algo estructural por ahí, ¿ok? Bye bye, take care, and see you on Monday. Bye.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye,
Good
teacher.
night,
Have a good
teacher.
weekend.
Good weekend.
Likewise.